Your Evoque Enza. When do you charge your Evoque Enza? I'm going to go through a few things. The first one I want to tell you is that these have a bit of a break-in period. So it's a brand new battery, and if it's colder, you're just not going to get the distance. It's about 400, 500, 600 kilometers that you need to put on your unit to get your batteries kind of worked in. So please don't go out on a 50, 60, 70, 80 kilometer trip in the first little while. Take your time. The way that you drive, where you drive, that's all going to make a difference in the distance. If you have hills, if you got a heavy foot, if it's colder out, just remember that that's going to reduce your distance. So let me show you inside on the screen when to charge. They have your battery indicator, and it's beautiful. This indicator here, all of your bars, it's pretty accurate, but what is 100% accurate is your voltage reading. Doesn't work on 100%. This is a 60 volt unit. It charges, fully charged to 67 volts. So when you charge it and the light turns green, you're gonna see 67 volts on here. If you charge it less, it'll say that you're full, but you're not, maybe you're 64, 65 volts. So please, 67 volts. Once you get down to 58, 56 volts, it is time to charge. Plug it in overnight, okay? Also, when you turn on your heater, your voltage is going to go down a little bit because it's drawing power. If you're going up a hill, you're going to notice that that's going to go down. But once you get to a level speed or you stop, it's going to level out and tell you where you're at. Right now we're at 60 volts. I'm going to go probably another 15 kilometers. Once I get into those 50 volts, for me, I want to charge. I like to keep it up, keep it charged. So I hope that helps. Thanks.